All right.
Ready?
Yeah.
What are we talking about? What are we talking? Was it Lab Day Spring online? Online? I can't take it anymore. No more Zooms, please.
Are you crying?
No, I could though. No more Zoom. I want to see bodies. I need human interaction. I know everybody is dying to get together and, you know, just get back to normal. Normal. Like, you know, we used to do in whenever, how many years ago? It seems like, whatever, okay. So, I can see I have absolutely no choice. And neither do you, because Lab Day Spring Online is online. And it's gonna be a Zoom the week of come see me on May 13th in a Zoom. It's going to be awesome. Looking really forward to it. Everybody, please make sure you register. It is gonna be awesome. It is gonna be titled Just Not Another Zoom. No, it's not, but it sounded really good. It is gonna be another Zoom, but I promise you that it is going to be awesome. And I will make it worth your while. So, May 10th through 14th, I will see all of you there. Lab Spring Online. Okay. Make that a video.